How to get $60 Betterhelp promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Type in Betterhelp promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for BetterHelp. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 20% off, $10 off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on Shop Now. You'll be directed to the official website of BetterHelp. Now you can log into your account. Select the therapy you want. And while you proceed to checkout, in the checkout page you will find this section of promo code. Over there you can type in the code and you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for BetterHelp. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.